here we are. Red, white, and blue, Ash.
Stand up like a soldier, baby. Yeah, I know you been like that. Gun it like a holster, baby. Show them say you're wicked like that. We live where the war is raging, chasing our crazy dreams, hoping that the bridge won't cave in. So now we'll let it all go free. Give me the thing, I made me rockin' at the dance. Give me the thing, I made me rockin' at the dance. My shit don't like stepping at the dance. Give me the thing, I made me rock, 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 rock. Give me the thing, I made me rockin' at the dance. Give me the thing, I made me rockin' at the dance. My shit don't like stepping at the dance. Give me the thing, I made me light it up.
I'm gonna keep on loving you.
What about you?
Everything I want to do.
Getting higher, I dey wait for Messiah, but until that day I'ma rise up high. I put my light in the air, I wanna see everywhere. I wanna let me see you, you right you for the sequel, be my free for my people. I know say I'm out to be next to my neighbor. Let me see you, your lighters on, lighters on.
Light it up.
I wanna let me see you, you right you for the sequel.
Do you ever feel already everything? 6 feet on the street, no one seems to hear a thing. Do you know that they're light and let it shine just on the night like a 4th of July? 'Cause baby you're a firework. Come on, shoot firework. Make it go up, up, up.
Nigga, you ain't about to do shit! I'm a fucking 17-year-old! What are you gonna do? Put your hands on me? No! I got special needs kids in this car, you're not about to cut me off! Okay, you got out your fucking car, started walking your car, and let me go! Mind your own business!
Because you deserve to get in front of everybody else. And I filled her car. So be a bitch and go get in front of her. Because, oh, isn't it just terrible?
Okay, bye. America.
This is what REO Speedwagon was talking about when they said we should just listen to each other and we should all get along.
Then I'm holding traffic up.
Oh, turn up.
Because you asked her to stand in front. Shut the fuck up.
It's a beautiful thing.
Cut front, so hey, I'm holding.
Alright, so now this old guy is talking fighting words to some angry redneck off in the distance.
This is crazy town. Like, straight up. Also, I want it to be known that that guy is mostly in the right, the guy that everyone's yelling about, but Mr. Hero over here in the white van wants to stand up for a girl who's being yelled at. Now, the girl being yelled at is actually being a bitch because she had her friend come stand in front of the guy's car so that she could get in front of the guy, which is pretty shitty because the guy is right. I cut him off and we let this girl in front of us cut us off. So he's been cut off by several cars.
But then here's the thing, no one's going anywhere.
Right, and
So,
that's the point. Like,
as
he
mad
doesn't
as
have
he
to make
is,
this big stink.
as right
The
as he
thing
is, he doesn't need
it
to be
doesn't
angry.
matter. In the end, at the end of the day, it really doesn't matter. But the funniest thing is that, like,
This whole parking lot's
this guy
pissed.
yelling in the back, he doesn't have a dog in the fight. Doesn't fucking matter to
None
him.
of us do.
He's parked still. He's not even in the fucking line. But he just wants to yell, and his wife wants to, like, yell also, so that they can be heroes to the poor little girl who's being yelled at by an old man. Social justice, my dude.
America.
Happy 4th of July.
Congratulations,
Get in the car, Aubrey!
Congratulations.
Ooh.
I tell you what, you don't get in the car now. Come on, rest. Get in the car. Obstruction of justice. Get in the car. Thank you.
I mean, personally, I like seeing old white guys get yelled at.
By like big sexy black cops.
It is what it is.
It is what it
The police are involved.
Wait right here for me.
Oh, yes, sir. We're witnesses. So now we're all stuck here. So now none of us are getting out of this parking lot.
We'll be here all night.
I work in the morning. Fabulous.
We be all night.
Hey, I told you to get in the car.